Hi guys, this is Mike from Mike's Home ESL. Welcome on this channel. If you are new in here, you gotta know that this channel is for ESL teacher, which means teaching English as a second language or even learning English as a second language. And this channel is for teachers or young learners, and you are welcome to subscribe, and don't forget as well to ring that bell. I don't know if you remember last time I've been talking about my school show. So today I'm gonna show you the full show of what I've been performing with my kids. It was originally from an homecoming assembly in America. It's called Harry Potter. And you can see this video on YouTube. They have a channel called ThePAC, so you can go and check it out. ThePAC Walden Groove. You will have a card right here who's gonna appear to go and see their video. This video was made by, I guess it was middle school student, but we did it. My school decided to do this as well, but this time with primary school students. Not easy for these kids because they are primary school kids. I will be as well in this performance. I'm not much of a performer, but you will see. I'm just gonna dance a little bit, yeah? The school show at Jinkai #1 School with Harry Potter is right now on Mike's Home ESL. Check this out.
Welcome to your first class. Everyone step up to the left side of the room. When I blow my whistle, I want each of you to pick up from the ground. 3, 2... You can turn it up, better than you bring it back up. You can turn it up, better than you bring it back up. You can turn it up, better than you bring it back up. You can turn it up.